Hey Munich, it's good to be back. Yes! Yeah, I could say it's good to be anywhere, but it is good to be back. And back in the old place, you know. We're going to see this one off, you know. Hey guys, I got this new one, we're kicking it around, well new, old new. This one's called Connection. The doctors want to give me more injections. Oh yeah, they're giving me shots for 1,000 injections. And I don't know if they'll let me go. No connection, I just can't make it. No, all I want to do is just get back to you. All I want to do is get back to you. You know, connection get a very close inspection. I wonder why it is they suspect.